I'll have to bust out the cassettes, put on some Billy Ray Cyrus. I might have made a mistake. May have accidentally bought another truck. This one's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really easy because I know these trucks like the back of my hand. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. Might just drive it. Might do a little work here and there. Not really sure. But I'll show you what it is. That tell me what you think about that. Let me know what I should do to it. I have a couple ideas between fixing the 4-cylinder. The 4-cylinder has a bad head, so I gotta find out what I gotta do to fix that. I gotta dive deep into it. I'm gonna end up putting it in the garage here soon. I'm thinking either fixing the 4-cylinder, just throwing some bags on it, running around like a shop truck. Or there's a lot of drag racing videos out there. I don't know if maybe I should take one of these. So I have the LS block that came out of the Silverado. That wouldn't be too hard to fix back up, put more parts in it. Down here is the 350. Came out of the Suburban. I thought about maybe putting that in, because hooking up a small block in an S10 is really nothing to it. The LS, I have to look more into. I'm assuming I don't have a wiring harness for it, so I was looking at standalone wiring harnesses. They're pretty pricey, and I want this to be like a lower budget build because I have the Suburban that I'm focusing on. The Silverado, I ordered the parts for the exhaust. So as soon as that comes, I'll be able to put the exhaust on and hopefully drive it around, make sure everything works, get it inspected, and drive it. My son really wants a monster truck, and that's a 4-wheel drive truck, so throwing around the ideas of, I never built a lifted truck yet for myself. I've built them for everybody else, so maybe I'll see what I can do with that. And I'm not doing one of those little leveling kits on it. I don't do small like that. I'm more of a, if I'm gonna build it, I'm gonna build it. I'm not gonna wimp out and put a little leveling kit on and throw some little bigger tires on it. That's not me. So we'll see what happens with that. I know he would love that.